I think I'm going to be selected for sure.
हाँ, सेलेक्ट तो हो जाऊंगी.
सीजन 1 के अल्टीमेट रिस्पॉन्स के बाद चेसी और बाला वापस लेकर आए हैं एक नया सीजन.
They are, indeed. Please welcome Chesy. Bala. And Rohit.
और इस बार रोहित भी ज्वाइन हो गए हैं स्क्वाड में.
जेसी सर के मिलने के बाद एक ड्रीम कंप्लीट हो गया है मेरा.
और ये रहे हमारे जजेस जो आज यहाँ एक मिशन लेकर आए हैं. Real transformation.
All the best to all of you, and let the best people get the chance to train under us.
200 plus participants, एक ही मिशन, educating through transformation. लेकिन सिर्फ 3 को मिलेगा ये गोल्डन चांस. ये है राउंड 1 ग्रुप डिस्कशन. पहला टेस्ट है माइंडसेट का, क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स का. लेट्स सी हु स्पीक्स अप, हु होल्ड्स बैक, हु विल टेक कंट्रोल एंड हु इज बिल्ट टू लीड.
Is fitness just a personal choice or a social responsibility?
So I would rather say that it is a personal responsibility, that when you take it upon yourself, then the whole world will also take it up, motivate, and then join the gang.
Is motivation really overrated?
So, if I'm saying success is what we want to achieve, motivation is one part of it.
डिसिप्लिन लाने के लिए सबसे पहला स्टेप मोटिवेशन होता है. मोटिवेशन ही आपको डिसिप्लिन के रास्ते पे लेके जाएगा.
So, just let me put my point. Show me
normal life, and you can still be living 80, 70, 80.
So basically, I'm a tarot card reader and a numerologist. So they were just asking me that, do face reading for us and tell us if we'll get through the GD round or not.
Can you tell it about yourself first?
I think I'll make it.
Very nervous, but then once I started speaking, मैं थोड़ा comfortable हो गई. I could speak after that.
Of course, GD session was not expected, but it was a really pleasant surprise.
Everything is a surprise element because हमने जो पुराना देखा था, it was like more of starting with a physical activity. तो mindset वही था कि जाके दौड़ना है, भागना है and all that. But I think it's starting with a mental ability check also, like how patient you are and all that. So yeah, exciting and surprising and whatnot.
ये है राउंड 2 1-on-1 शोडाउन. एक स्टेज, एक टॉपिक और 1 मिनट. इट्स नॉट जस्ट व्हाट यू से, इट्स हाउ यू से. लॉजिक, एनर्जी और प्रेशर में परफॉर्म करने की एबिलिटी, सब कुछ काउंट होता है. सिर्फ 1 मिनट है पार्टिसिपेंट्स के पास अपना पॉइंट प्रूव करने के लिए. क्या ये कर पाएंगे?
Your topic is working out is well and good, but you can't beat genetics.
So if I take this topic to its extreme, कि you can't beat genetics, तो फिर छोड़ ही दो ना, क्यों कर रहे हो?
बंदा आया 6 महीने में ट्रांसफॉर्म. Genetics.
Veerupassan, he didn't follow the diet. Carrying a tiffin to a dinner party, weighing everything we eat, and other oddball behaviors. Are we taking fitness a little too far?
Depends on your goals. अगर आपका कल कोई कंपटीशन है तो हाँ, आप वहाँ शायद हो सकता है आप जाओ ही नहीं, या फिर आप अपना खुद का खाना लेके जाओ.
And I'm selected, and I would say because they both repeated. He said something and he repeated that I would have to go with 242. That is it. So अगले दिन एग्जाम है तो फिर जाना नहीं है पार्टी में.
6 packs, you have to stop drinking water to show it.
I drink around 4 to 5 liters of water.
This was not easy for us. I think some 1,000+ people applied to come here. We had to tell 100+ people straight away
not to come here because they were from outside the country. Then there were some 900 people left, and then we went through the questionnaires and everything, and then we selected you guys.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ मेहनत से नहीं होती, सही डाइट भी जरूरी है. स्पेशल थैंक्स टू आवर स्पॉन्सर्स जो लाए हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए बेस्ट फ्यूल. और ये है फाइनल राउंड, फेस टू फेस विद जजेस. नो फिल्टर्स, नो फ्रंट. ये वो मोमेंट है जहां सिर्फ टैलेंट नहीं, इंसान दिखाई देता है. जजेस देखेंगे ऑनेस्टी, हसल और डेडिकेशन, क्योंकि ये है द अल्टीमेट शोडाउन.
Okay, so we have the final forms here of the final contestants who are going to go through personal interview round. Let's see how they perform over there. And the very first contestant to go inside is Pooja, chest 129. Please come. कैसा लग रहा है?
हाँ, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ.
क्या होने वाला है, कुछ आइडिया?
हाँ, सेलेक्ट तो हो जाऊंगी. उतना तो पॉजिटिव ऑरा भी रखा है मैंने लास्ट 1 मंथ से.
मेरा एक सवाल है, आपने ये फॉर्म खुद भरा है या किसी से भरवाया है? आपने हर चीज में बोला है जेसी सर के एथिक्स, जेसी सर का ये वो. आपने उसमें लिखा है आपने इफ आई गेट चांस विद रोहित सर फर्स्टली आई विल से थैंक यू. 3 कैरेक्टर्स अगर चूज करने हो, उसमें आपने एक लिखा है रोहित सर. खाली रोहित के साथ में ट्रेन करना है.
क्योंकि सर आप तो बड़े लोग हैं जिनका वेट और
वो सिर्फ छोटे लोगों के साथ.
छोटा आदमी. Do you think you can exercise? If I ask you to exercise, you'd be able to do that?
Yes.
I have a question. What if you don't get selected now? What will happen? So if you don't get selected, you'll go and eat ice cream. You are putting God in confusion. God's like, okay, this guy gets selected. He gets trained by one of these guys.
Yeah.
And if he does not get selected, he'll eat ice cream.
No.
When were you first detected with cancer?
2015.
And what kind of cancer is it?
It was blood cancer, terminal stage.
And how long you've been in like remission?
Remission, it's been 10 years. I have
Very
never
remission, right?
taken any kind of medicine post my chemo.
Very nice.
You should stop saying conquering cancer. You've conquered cancer now.
If you have to set a goal for yourself in fitness, what's that goal?
Actually, I want to gain muscles. Plus, parallel to that, I want to keep my mental health plus physical health at its peak. Because that is only the thing which I feel जो मुझे बाकी की भी जो चीज़ें ज़िंदगी में करनी है उसके लिए वो बेस रहना चाहिए.
And how long you've been taking fitness seriously? Like
फिटनेस मैंने डाइट को तो काफ़ी समय से सीरियस किया है. यानी डाइट आई कुक एट होम, मैं बाहर नहीं खाता हूँ.
What about
एक्सरसाइज? योगा काफ़ी बार किया है, लेकिन ऐसा एज अ प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज नहीं किया है कुछ.
You have a fear of rejection, you said.
Yeah.
How will you face it? Let's say you get rejected. What happens then?
I think this would be my last rejection. This is what my life-changing moment is gonna be. So
Wait. You getting rejected or you getting selected?
even if I'm rejected, it's gonna be a life-changing moment for me.
Explain how.
Every time, even in the corporate interviews, I have gone in the top 3, top 2, but there was one better than me. I think it was in my mind that I used to make it. शायद नहीं होगा. आज आने के पहले भी मैं सोच रही थी कि नहीं होगा, but then I got selected for the 2 rounds and I was like, no Anamika, you can do it and it's in your mind. You have to manifest that way. And now I'm manifesting कि ये मेरे साथ होगा. I'm sure ये मेरे साथ
नहीं हुआ तो
फिर जैसा जर्नी चल रहा है उसमें और इम्प्रूवमेंट लाऊंगी.
Training under any of us would change any of that.
सर एक वैलिडेशन चाहिए सर. एक मेरे को आज के डेट पे आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस है सर. आई एम नॉट एन IAS, आई एम नॉट एन IPS. सो मेरा पॉइंट है कि मेरे को बॉडी बिल्डिंग करना है. मैं बहुत क्लियर है सर, मेरे को एक इंडिया का सबसे नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डर बनना है और टफ बॉडी बिल्डर बनना है और बन के रहना है. यू कैन शूट मी इफ आई डोंट फॉलो यू अगेन इन लाइफ.
Very interesting.
Sorry sir.
So we'll get the first question out of the way. Out of the 3 of us, who would you pick?
I think I'll pick you.
Why would you pick me?
He doesn't know us. That's why he'll pick you.
You're right.
No. If you have to pick one.
I think Rohit because I love his comedy.
Good answer. Very good. Just pick one. One word.
I like Rohit sir.
Ekdam best choice.
Everyone is picking me.
I think people can connect with you easily.
No, I agree.
If I want to pick one, I'll pick him because I like.
तेरे को किसी ने पिक नहीं किया अभी तक. किसी ने पिक नहीं किया. भला क्या कर क्या रहा है तू? Okay, you have to pick one person.
I would pick Pala.
Finally.
Thank you.
I wanted Bala sir.
Two in a row. Tell me one thing. When you say you are a social drinker,
Just with my friends, maybe once in 2 months odd.
why?
Just for the company. It's nothing.
Who wants that company? You want that company or they want your company?
See, I wouldn't drink like whiskey and all. Maybe a beer or two.
Why are you drinking?
Because I also feel like drinking something.
Why do you
It's not
feel like drinking?
I don't know how to answer it. Just,
He didn't think
you know,
about
when
it.
you're with
He
company,
Think about it when you are with your friends
about
that
it.
if I don't drink, will I be able to enjoy their company or not?
No, I think, see, when I eat, when I drink as well, everything is in limits. Even if
There's no limit. The limit is zero. I am telling you this because I want you to understand that, see, there are some rules that you can set. See, if there is a limit, will you offer that to your children? Then why do you offer it to yourself? And don't use it as a excuse that social drinking is okay. With my friends it's okay.
Absolutely, yep.
Don't do that. It will help you in getting better.
Agree.
Okay.
Agree.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
Thanks for the point. I'll take it.
यहाँ सबने अपनी कहानी सुनाई, अपनी मेहनत दिखाई.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Same here.
How it went? It was awesome.
God's grace, man. Surrender to God. Whatever happened, there. Positive.
Okay. I see myself there.
Fingers crossed.
That is very tough to make out. They've been very deceptive about it.
I will.
I hope so. I think it's crossed.
पर कौन होंगे वो फाइनल 3? ये देखने के लिए stay tuned for the next episode of Transform with JC, Bala and Rohit.